Rise up, child of God. Every trial is shaping you for glory. My child, the road you walk is not always easy. The weight of your burdens may feel unbearable, and the darkness around you may seem unending. But know this, I am with you. I have given you strength not just for the easy days, but for the days when you feel you cannot take another step. Remember the promises I have made. I do not abandon those who trust in me. When you feel weak, lean on me, for my power is made perfect in your weakness. I am the rock beneath your feet, the shelter in your storm, and the light that guides you through the valley of shadows. Do not give up, for I have called you to a purpose greater than you can yet see. Every trial you face, every obstacle in your path is refining you, molding you into the person I created you to be. Your pain is not in vain. Through perseverance, you will find your greatest strength. Rise up, child of God, for you are not defeated. The enemy may try to break you, but I have already won the victory. Stand firm in your faith and know that I am working all things together for your good. Your endurance is not just for today, but for the eternal glory that awaits you. Hold on to my promises, for they are unshakable. Trust in my timing, for it is perfect. And remember I am with you always, even to the end of the age. You are never alone, and with me you will overcome. In moments of doubt, when the voices of fear and discouragement grow loud, silence them. With the truth of my word, I have not given you a spirit of fear, but of power, love, and a sound mind. Remember, it is not by your strength alone that you will overcome, but by my Spirit working within you. When you feel the weight of the world pressing down, lift your eyes to the hills, for your help comes from me, the maker of heaven and earth. I do not sleep, nor do I slumber. I am always watching over you, guiding your steps and providing for your every need. Trust in me with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge me, and I will make your path straight. You are a warrior. In my kingdom, equipped with the full armor I have provided. The battles you face are not just against flesh and blood, but against spiritual forces that seek to steal your joy and destroy your peace. Fear not, for I have already secured your victory. Stand firm in your faith and use the weapons I have given you, the sword of the Spirit, which is my word, and the shield of faith, which can extinguish all the flaming arrows of the evil one. There will be times when you feel like you are fighting alone, but know that you are surrounded by a great cloud of witnesses, cheering you on, praying for you, and standing with you in the Spirit. You are never alone in this battle, so press on, my child. Do not grow weary in doing good, for at the proper time you will reap a harvest if you do not give up. I am with you, and I am for you. My plans for you are good, plans to prosper you and not to harm, plans to give you hope and a future. Take heart, for I have overcome the world, and in me you are more than a conqueror. The path ahead may be steep, but with me nothing is impossible. Keep your eyes fixed on me, the author and perfecter of your faith, and you will see the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. Go forth with courage and confidence, knowing that I am your strength, your song, and your salvation. Victory is yours in Christ Jesus now and forevermore. Lead me in the way everlasting.